All right, so here we're going to be doing the same thing, if possible, simplify. So looking at this, we have a 2K, we have an 18K, and we have a 50K. So it looks like probably 2K is as far as we can get down to. So what we'll have is 2 square root of 2K. Now 18K, the square root of that, well, that's going to be the square root of 9 times the square root of 2K, which is going to be 3 square root of 2K. So now we have like radicals, so we can add those together. But we haven't got this one yet, so now let's take the square root of 50K. Well, what's that? That's going to be the square root of 25 times square root of 2K, down to that like radical again. And so now that's going to be a 5 square root of 2K. So, that's the like radical. So we have 2 plus 3 plus 5. So basically we have 10 square root of 2K. Because again, 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 2 more is 10. And so that would be our solution. Again, with the like radical. All right, so this one, it's a little more difficult because we have to think about, well, what do we have here and what do we have here? So this one is smaller, of course. So I'm going to think about what can I pull out of here to maybe look at that. Well, if I think about that, 20x plus 20, I can say, well, that's a square root of 4 times the square root of what? Well, if I divide each of those by 4, I get 5x plus 5. And so now that gives me 2 square root of 5x plus 5. Now at this point, before you did that, if you needed to, you could have that still 4 and then 5x plus 5. And then because that's a product, you can say, okay, well now I have the square root of 4 and the square root of 5x plus 5, which then breaks to that. Now if I'm going to add to that just the square root of 5x plus 5, I've got like bases, so now 2 plus 1 is 3 square root 5x plus 5. Okay, so on some of them, you're going to have to start factoring out terms. So we factored out that 4, and then after that, we could take that out in front and take the square root of that and get 2, and then after that, we had like radicals. All right, let's pause there and we'll come back for some more.